ones that survived that alien attack? Where did Baller go? He died. How? He's invincible. And he can respawn. Wait, they took his respawning powers? Yeah. Dude. What do we do? If Baller's not here, then... Wait, we are the only ones that survived.
That's not how you spell.
That means...
There we go. And then...
Oh no. Please. And I'm not gonna do it. Thank God.
I am Chucky. Wanna play?
Also, I want to do this reference. What reference? Hi, I'm Chucky. Wanna play? Yeah, that was a fail. So whoever gets killed, they respawn now. At least the aliens give us respawning powers. You're dead already? Melon has joined the game. Pumpkin has joined the game. No way, I thought you guys died. All we did was just leave the game. Oh. Why? We had to customize our characters. Wait, is the thing that you customize on your character loading? Yep. Boom, there we go. You guys will look cool. I know, right? Why do you add boots? It makes me even cooler. But the shoes? Yeah, I wanted shoes. But I don't have enough melon coins. These babies cost 1,000 melon coins. Those shoes? Why? Because it will make you invincible. So what is going to happen? You're going to disappear? No, I'm actually immortal now. Just like Baller? Shoot me. Wait, I moved the wrong one. What is Sandbox Playground? Close. You want me to shoot you? Yep. Okay, if you're immortal. Where's the gun? The strongest weapon I can find. There you go. Oh my God, you killed Melon. I didn't mean to. You told me to shoot you. We should have done this somewhere else. What happens if you die with the things on? You keep it. All it does is just revives you. And then, yeah. So, I have this weapon now. I got it from the shop. Well, we got all of these from the shop. Did you know there's weapons in that shop? That you got the clothes? We didn't know. Also, there's free guns. Where? You can spawn them. Slushy spawn auto pistol. No way, that's sick. Hold on.
What was that sound? It's checking the spaces line. God dang it! I like to be hugged.
That is sick.
Oh,
Let's freaking go.
What the frick are you doing? You supposed to have a hug?
Ah!
No, okay,
Ah!
you guys stay here.
Stop being such a crybaby.
The good guy box. Wait, where's the? Let me see if
What?
it's here.
Why did I kill you? I hacked you so you can kill me. Ugh. Oh my god, you killed Corn.
It's not. Okay, well.
It's okay. Why did I spawn in my butt?
Oh, there it is. Oh no. I like
No, doing such things.
you wanna
Stupid
hug?
little.
Get
How did that happen? How? How?
Play. Not
Dude, look at that.
freaking Chucky.
Look at that. How did that happen? Dude.
Does anyone have a lighter? No.
Look at that, dude. It's literally on his hat.
You got that? No spring shot people. Is spring shot take every weapon in here? Basically.
Oh my friggin' head. Watch this knife throw.
You have no idea. More of everything you love.
Watch this knife throw. Ah, dude, why did you throw it at my face? My foot. My foot. Oh my god, my foot. Ah. Why are you doing this to me? Pumpkin. I really want to fight you, but you're invincible.
Hi, I'm Chuck. You wanna play?
Girl, how much you get your closet so organized? Oh, I just bought these home organizers off of Amazon. Ugh, I've been wanting to order some.
Perfect timing.
I like to be hugged. Thing I missed. Do you wanna play? No. That's a shame. You know what? I'm just actually gonna. I can't think of thing that I. You know what?
Dude, chill. If you tell me to chill.
I'm
that will happen.
Play.
Oh my god, you killed a melon. Oh my god, they killed melon.
I like to be high. Shut up.
One, two, Paco my shoe, 3, 4, Paco sama, 5, 6, righty, quick, la 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 la. Why did you say that? You know that would make me oof you because that is so cute. What? You said what? What? Anyways, shut. Apple. Yeah? Oh, I'm gonna be like just like Bally from that one mod. What mod? We don't know how to download mods. What's 1+1? Among Us. I actually get your point, but it's wrong. Dude, did you remember those people in our house literally in the attic doing sus stuff? Actually, they were watching TV. Boulder told me that. But they weren't. They literally told me that a clone of you were looking. Hey, yo! Why did you tell me that? Now my voice is ruined. What's going on anyways? Why are you shooting me? Sorry. Oh, my friggin' leg! Ah! Another ad. Can I please have no ads right now? What's flagging this thing? Get out of my face. Ah. Oh my god! They killed Melon! But this time he lost his head and one of his body parts. So he will have to respawn. And he will have no stuff on. How did you know that? I know. Ah! Ah! They won it. of here. No, you. Haha, you missed. You missed. You missed. Dude, get off of me. No.
Try not to blink. You won't want to miss this.
Dude. I'm not being fat. You want me to oof apple?
Today we are going to test out the Gen 6. It's here.
I'm a reenact.
Alright, so this is the new one. Take a peek at this. Look at the difference. It's really not that big of a difference. Oh wow. It's not so bad. 180. That's scary distance, right?
Haha, my gun now. Oh! You're aiming it the wrong way, dummy. Parachute.
Get out of my way. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Hold on. Okay, I'm back from the bathroom. Parachute is not working. Don't. Ugh. My gun. Go get it. No.
What are you doing?
How? I literally have airplane mode on. I think we have to do this with ads because I can't get it to not show ads. And why is it low? It's not safe. Stupid.
What even are you? I'm a plant. Oh. What are you? I'm a dog, duh. Okay. What are you, Pikachu?
What? Where is he?
Well, obviously I'm fine.
What? Oh!
Are you kidding me?
I need to delete everything before it starts lagging even more. Melon has respawned. Pumpkin has respawned. Corn has respawned. Apple has respawned. Hey yo. Ow. Where's our house? I don't freaking know. Wait, Bauer can spawn it. He has saves. Oh. So where is he? He will join that sometime. Baller has joined the game. What's up, Baller? What's up? Let's go, guys. Wait, how did you know I was a... I'm actually a girl, not a boy. Sam. You were the boy, You two were the boys, like, you two were boys literally some episodes ago. Actually, we're going to ban you. Agree. Agree. Hold on. Where's my weapon? What weapon? My banned weapon. What? You know, the only one. Like the ones for boys. And I broke my neck. I just bounced. Hold on, let me try it on Apple. Oh, doesn't work. Get him. Ah, dang.
So I can try seeing Chica, Freddy, Bonnie,
Wait, who was boy again? Get your big butt. Okay, who will fight me? Me too.
Who's next?
Ah, dang it. Ah.
Maybe if I just...
Yeah, let's battle somewhere else. My head, my nose. You don't have a nose. Oh. Well, my face.
Yeah, I think there is someone down
Ah, dang. Ah. Ayo, what did you do? I just... Ayo. Yeah, I'm a hope. Banned. Apple was banned from the server. Ow. Sorry. Get back there. Okay. Ah, dude. Eh. Duh. What?
That's something even better. Holy freak! Chucky's at the window. How do you get out there? Okay, report. Bye, Chica.
Let me. The hair. Get the hair. Destroy the hair. My hair. Okay, that destroying his hair was his only weakness.
What the actual frick?
Down. Surrender. Never. Unless you destroy my ball, which is never going to happen. Let me spawn in my friend Ball. Mr. Ball, where are you, Mr. Ball? Mr. Ball! Ah! What did you hit me? Mr. Ball, sorry. It's okay. Mr. Ball! Mr. Ball! Mr. Ball! Mr. Ball! Ah! Mr. Ball! Mr. Ball! Mr. Ball! Mr. Ball, 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 ball. Mr. Ball! Mr. Ball! Ah! Mr. Ball, sorry. Mr. Ball. Mr. Ball. Mr. Ball. Oh. Mr. Ball.
Where's it at? You know what?
Mr. Ball, sorry. Where's Mr. Ball? He's in the sky. Mr. Ball! Dude! I knew that was gonna happen if I just let it go. Mr. Ball, sorry. Mr. Ball said. Mr. Ball, yeet. Mr. Ball alone. Mr. Football. Mr. Ball. Mr. Football. What the heck are you? I'm Mr. Never mind about that. Mr. Ball. Mr. Ball. Baller has left the game. Apple has left the game.
Get out of my way, pal! I got some work to do. Huh? A good guy box? Is there any good guys in here? Let's see. Good guy.
I don't know why I put the TV in the basement for them.
So cool. Wait, is there one inside it?
Come on, let me watch the invisible TV.
I really want to get by. So cool.
Get out of my way. Ah! Now I can watch the invisible TV. No, I'm out. Let me go. That is cringe. Cringe. I found cringe. Let me out of here. Oh my.
Let anyone get away.
Ed? No. Oh,
No.
thought it wouldn't work.
Get that. Oh, I must not hurt. Oh, sir, watch out!
Let me out of here. Did anyone hear something? Let me out of here. Mr. Ball, I need your help. Mr. Ball? Mr. Ball? Mr. Ball.
Back.
Mr. Ball.
Holy frick, what happened to you?
Oh yeah, I forgot to say something. Mr. Ball has joined the game.
Damn.
Mr. Ball. Mr. Ball. Going to save the day. Mr. Ball can't do it. Never mind, Mr. Ball can.
Ladies first. What the frick?
Mr. Ball's stuck. You're stuck? I didn't know you can talk.
Looks like we have someone that wants to play. Do you want to play?
I think I can help. There you go.
No.
Mr. Ball.
Wait a second.
Mr. Ball, thanks.
What? I don't want to go.
You're welcome. You're stuck.
I got something even better to do. Yeah.
Mr. Ball trying to help. I know you're trying to help me get unstuck.
What are you gonna do?
Oh, you're stuck again.
What are you doing?
Mr. Ball needs help. Okay, I'll help you.
Dewey Dumbala. What the frick is that?
So, who are you? I'm Mr. Ball. Mr. Ball? Mr. Ball.
Jump out the window.
You almost hit me. Mr. Ball, sorry. Ow. Why did I kind of look like I was ascending? Mr. Ball don't know. Okay. Could you destroy this invisible TV? Mr. Ball don't know where it is. It's literally at the wall.
Chuck it. Chuck it. Chuck it.
Mr. Ball says that is too cringe. I'm out.
What happened? Lady.
This is too lag. Too much lag. Mr. Ball's scared. Why are you scared? Mr. Ball's so cringe. Cringe? What is cringe? Mr. Ball says, Baller don't remember what cringe is? Wait, someone took my memory. Mr. Ball, who? I don't know who took my memory. Oh, do you know what cringe is? Yep. I stole Balder's memory. Same. What? You guys stole my memory? Mr. Ball mad. Mr. Ball says die. Ow, my face. Mr. Ball, sorry. Mr. Brick! Mr. Ball says Brick can talk? Mr. Brick? Mr. Brick? Mr. Ball? Mr. Ball? Mr. Ball? Chill. Chill. Chill! Chill! Mr. Ball angry. Ah! Ah! Mr. Ball says, you feel pain? Yeah, you just broke my leg. Mr. Ball don't care. Please, I will not ban you. Mr. Ball, sorry. Mr. Ball got out of control. I knew you would say that. Because you always go out of control. Ow. Mr. Ball says, you okay? Yep. Ah! Mr. Ball got yeeted. That's what you get. Ha! Mr. Ball confused. Mr. Ball. Mr. Ball. We need to defeat that guy up in the attic. He's been making weird noises. It's like the sus sound. What were you doing up here? Mr. Ball says sus things. Hey yo! Why are you watching Ballin'? That one cringe meme. Are they gay? Yep. I'm also gay. Hey yo, why are you gay? Okay, Mr. Ball, just get him. We don't support gay people in here. Die. What is your Mr. Ball emote? Mr. Tennis Ball. What? Ah! Ow! My bow. Why? You wound me. Mr. Ball says, is Baller affected? Mr. Ball scared. Mr. Ball. Mr. Ball run. Mr. Ball breaks. Mr. Ball run to break everything. Mr. Ball. 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 Uh-oh. Mr. Ball. Mr. Ball. Mr. Ball. Mr. Ball. Mr. Ball. How did I grab that syringe? It's so tiny, dude. Mr. Ball, Mr. Ball, Mr. Ball. Mr. Ball says, this is my house now. Mr. It's literally flying. Mr. Ball. Mr. Ball. Why is there a syringe in the baller's butt? Dude. Mr. Syringe is sus. Dang, my leg's dead. I'm just like that corn dude that's in the attic that just got killed by Butler or Mr. Ball. I'm
gonna kill you all. I thought I know. Moving on.
Hey, who's that a clone of me?
Come on.
Oh no, I can explain.
Mickey Mouse Clubhouse.
Dude,
I always wanted to meet you
really?
guys.
You stole my name and everything? What?
Oh,
Wait,
how's
corn?
Sophie doing?
Oh no.
Guys.
Ah, my flipping foot.
Mickey Mouse, you look weird.
Non-clones versus clones. These are the non-clones. These are the clones. The sus ones. Yeah, the real ones say that. We are the real ones. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, 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 what's going on? The sus clones are trying to take over us and take over you and turn you into a sus clone. What will they do with you? Just oof. Oh, poop. Oh no. I don't need Mr. Ball. He left the game. Oh yeah, I forgot to say the thing, but it doesn't matter. Why is it 4%? That's literally... Bruh. Oh no, I just messed it up. So that's Clowns versus Baller. We're definitely gonna win. Who wants to battle me first? Me, I will turn you into sus pieces. What?
Why do you have a knife?
Stop choking me! No.
Can someone please explain what they want?
Oh my god. If he chokes us long enough, we go on fire. Yes. Die. Die for it. What do I do?
Okay. Chucky has to go. I know, he's too dangerous. Alright, we are going into the fight with everyone in the entire world. I'm like so confused that you are. What the heck?
Why is my shoe right there? I'ma choke you. You're not setting me on fire.
Oh freak! Minecraft powers! Minecraft. Hurry, he's gonna go.
dang. What? I was going to save it. Dude.
Pick power.
How did I actually oof him?
Everybody, we're going to freaking die. I need a fire gun. I'm pretty sure.
Ballerwood OP. Yeah, you son of a Among Us. You are a piece of Among Us imposter. I'll end you. What are you looking at? Don't run away from me.
And then, back at Freddy's. We are the only two men alive, and since Bonnie passed out somewhere.
That didn't affect me.
Get the good guy box. We have to
Hey!
find Chucky.
Why am I rolling like Sonic?
And I just heard someone else die. Okay, that Among Us guy's still there. We need to find Chucky. Chucky. Oh, Chuck. Chucky Chucks. Chunky Monkey. Chunky Monkey. Oh, yeah. No one ever calls me freaking Chunky Monkey. Looks like you're the last person I need to kill. A shame. There's only one way I'm not gonna kill you. Okay, what is? I'll do anything. Help me. Where is? Help me.
Hmm?
Dang it, you know what I'm talking about. I know. Please. This is your last chance. Where is he? Is he? That's it. I was talking about Andy. Andy, where are
You're
you?
next. I literally wasted all that time
Pow.
just to make Baller overpowered.
Bye. Bye. And then over here. Man, I hate my new life in this neighborhood. Or maybe I'm just mad because I have to wear a stupid hearing aid. Dang it. My mom dropped me off for my birthday. What even is this place? Freddy Fazbear's Pizza? Sounds dumb. Why don't I go to Freddy Fazbear, really? My pal. I am from Chucky. I am Chucky unrated. And you can't stop me.
Who the heck are you? Who the heck are you? Hold on. I'm gonna do something.
Now we just need a
Okay, bye.